Greetings, beautiful people. Welcome back. I've made it back from Spain. I ended up going to Seville. If you haven't watched episode 1, I'd watch it because this is the gist of everything. Mia, the girl who pulled me my first drink in Mahon in 2 years, we struck up a bit of a friendship, and she invited me out down to Seville last week. So I've had a week down in Seville. We've had a few wines on the evenings. We had his own hotel rooms and everything. Everything was above board. So last week I was going to do some stock footage of the journey of when I first bought the boat. But me and Mia, we've ended up doing some filming. We're going to release a little Seville special, but that's in the future. So Mia, thank you so much for a beautiful week in Seville, and let's just see what happens in the future. And I think everything's going to be cool. Yeah, right, back to the sailing. So I've got a Prout 31 Quest. We're going to go over the Irish Sea now. So just watch the video, and it's all there. So we're a dry boat, we're not going to sink. Right, this is John.
Hello, John. Hello, Andrew.
Tallulah.
Hello. At half past
Obviously,
an hour on a Sunday.
There's Andrew. Right. My mate is having trouble with his engine on his catamaran. We both bought the same catamarans at the same time, and the both was up for sale, and we didn't know which ones to go for. So John went for this one, and I went for the other one, and we've been friends ever since. And John's just finally got his run in, and we're taking over to Ireland. The engine's overheating a little bit, but we've just got 60 miles to do. Straight up.
Andrew to fix it. The main more than cable, and he even brought 2 tons of tools with him.
He never leaves out without that box.
So we're well sorted. We are.
So right, we're gonna get over to the boat. Look at this place. Yeah, this is lovely. Look, we've got a ship's cat here. Hello, little cat.
I want to get closer to the pub name.
I think,
So it's Twy Coach. It's called Twy Coach. Twy Coach.
Port Incline.
People say it's Tie Cock, but it's not.
Boy, I think right in front of us. A little green one. Right at the
That's currently
No, they're fine.
lobsters. So I pulled him up to the days. Lots of crabs in. So I thought he might eat this.
The final leg. Wales to Dublin. Is that your crab dance? Oh dear God.
Hold on, Sid.
Oh.
Next stop, Dublin. That way. I think you say twice, Dublin, Dublin. Captain Helm at the Captain Bulmer at the helm.
Aye, aye, me hearty. First been spy of the Christmas season. Last day of summer today. Clocks go back tonight.
We're going really fast there, you can't sit here.
What are you
2 knots. 2 knots.
Yeah, you get it off this 4 knots. 4.3, 3.8, 4.2,
It's finally doing it, my friend.
4.3. We're sailing! Finally! 5 knots. 5.1, 5.9, 5.7. There's a big one coming up, big wave.
So I'm saying goodbye to Wales there. And then, hello, 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 Dublin, Dublin. Say it twice, Dublin, Dublin.
So where does 270 take us? Straight across the sea, basically to Wicklow. 4.7, 4.8. Hopefully we get some nice wind later.
So, we're halfway over the Irish Sea. We're doing that speed. We're going to go to Dublin. To come from there, Wales. Saying 5 hours to go. And we're going to arrive, we've got 30.1 miles left, and we're going to arrive around about this time. The speed's up and down. I think we'll get there about 8 o'clock.
Next stop, Dublin. These are huge waves. I have to say, it's getting its absolute test. To be doing this on my own, Andy. I feel very confident with you around here. Yeah, good. I didn't want to go out on camera are they done? They're just...
I know. Well, I think that one will.
And people on YouTube are saying, oh, look at the sort of waves, look at it. And they just look like that. What are they on about? But when you hear it, they're towering over you, it's a different thing. How far are we now, Andrew?
Nearly halfway. 30.8 last time. What is it? 30? 30, exactly 30 halfway.
No, I think it was 60, 32. I think it's 65. It tells you on the avionics, the top part and the bottom part. It tells you how far you've gone, it tells you how far you've got to go.
Is that saying how many we've got left to go?
I don't remember. One of them is telling us, and the one at the bottom tells us.
It's saying 30.5.
Yeah, that's what
And that's saying 22.7. So
Kingston Marina, Dublin.
So there you go. I made it back from Ireland in one piece. And Seville. Right then. So anyway, I'm a new channel. Just give me a little like and possibly subscribe. I'm trying to grow the channel, and the magic number is 1,000. 1,000 subscribers. So let's try get up to there. So anyway, thanks for getting this far with us. We're going around the planet. Some of the subscribers are saying, "Oh, is it?" There's one guy says, "You've got a 1 in 7 chance." We're going around the world, and you're coming with me. I need your help. I need some friends with me. I'm all by myself at the moment. So, ciao, adio, and I love you guys.